Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I want to say thank you to all my fans, and this video also shout out to Mr. HCS Sport. Today's videos I collect many 3D painting and I collect the best 3D art. Okay, let's see the video. Today's videos also our idol he painting a 3D art, many new collection. Okay, he's painting with a charcoal and sometimes add the color with chalk colors. He painting many hours, but the video cut too short for you easy to watch. Okay. Oh, so amazing. The water color and what is calling many people through this way. Oh my god, very big. What is that? What he's painting is it's very big. The English call locust. Yes, it's very big. He painting very amazing. If we go to art box, we spend many money, but if you go to visit this idol painting, can take a photo for free with them. He painting more of art with a charcoal. What is that? What is he painting? Wow, that looks so real. Oh, he walk and jump. Okay, next is cycle. After pen with a charcoal and look at the hole. It is a 3D hole. It's riding the scooter. Here is very, oh my god. Bang. He's so amazing. Oh. Wow. Really the scooter come. What is the news? step outward. Oh, painting with the charcoal and add some color. Oh, you can see it. Wow. After walkway, if he add the watercolor, it's better, I think. What is using? Wow. Cycle come. It's a perfect. Wow, very nice. Look, so they are playing with this. Oh, the scooter come. Wow, very nice. They come with baby and take some photos and play. So happy. They are take a photo with art box for free, but he clean with the water, and after he clean, he will paint with a new 3D art. What is the news? Oh, it is add the colors. Wow, very nice. What's watercolor? Wow, looks so real. Water. Wow, it's good. In this video is okay. In this video is finished. Goodbye. See you again. Thank you for watching. Oh, he show it looks so real, like a playground, like art box with the water, because no good for look, but not good for play.